Budget. In this video, we will discuss how to set up a budget in Zoho Books. A budget is a financial plan that estimates income and expenses over a specific period. It helps businesses to achieve their financial goals. You can create budgets in Accountant module. Select Accountant module, select Budgets. By clicking New Budget, you can add a new budget. First, you need to enter budget name. Next, you can select the financial year, or you can select the fiscal year. You can select the budget period. You can select monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. First, we will select yearly budget. From here, you can add your income accounts. You can select all income accounts. It will tick like that. After that, you can update. Now, income accounts available under income accounts. Next, you can select expenses account. Select all and update. Now you have added all income accounts and expenses account. Now you can create your budget.